That's undocking ship from the LFT terminal. The two tugboats pulling back Mike Coco and Bama. We are standby for pushing after that ship distance from the jetty, so we can go to the starboard shoulder. We will push there, and then the ship will turn away from the jetty towards breakwater. So we came from SPM, actually from the single point mooring, and we received some order regarding for this undocking operation, because this ship, the length overall of this ship is around 365 meters, so we need 3 tugs to move this ship. Now I'm proceeding to the area which the tug mark sign, but we don't have tug mark there in the shoulder. So you see, I'm twisting because of the wash from the tug pulling from the bow. Now I'm proceeding to the position so I can